Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager. I am with Todd Clifton. Today we're talking about Radiance and everything that's new in 2021. So Todd, what's new for this year?
This year on our outside cap, we've redesigned it. We've done some different molding to create this embedded look here with our integrated LED lights. New paint scheme, 2 coats of polyurethane, 2 coats of clear to protect it against the weather. So we're really happy with the way the outside looks. We patent pended a new pass-through storage. This is the full belly storage. It creates 3.5 cubic feet of additional storage. And what's really nice about it, it's right out to access all your goods. 42 cubic feet of interior space inside of here. Full strip light to illuminate the whole thing, and extra large doors on both sides so you can load and unload content from either side.
The Cruiser RV team made a big change from Luan to a new material on the sidewall. Todd, what is that?
So our new material that we're using now is the Azdel. It's a much lighter composite. It's not going to have mold, and it's going to help avoid the DLAM issues that happened back when we had the Luan.
The one thing that really impresses me is how much headroom there is. How did you guys do that?
So, Will, what we have is a 6-foot 11-inch barrel ceiling here. I pitch it as it's the camper's cathedral.
Okay.
People understand what a cathedral ceiling is in a house.
Sure.
They also understand how that cathedral ceiling makes everything feel so much bigger on the inside. And you just feel really comfortable because there's a lot of room in this camper.
What's unique about this couch?
This is the upgraded Trifold Sofa.
Okay.
So this is going to fall out into a bed. It's very simple to work, and it's going to give you a ton of space here where you can potentially sleep a couple kids, 1 adult. Every window inside the Radiance is fully functional, so it's going to open one way or the other, creating that cross breeze throughout. That is an automotive grade window, so that tint is inside the window. So you don't have to worry about it peeling off, you don't have to worry about it discoloring. We put the blacked out shade, so that's an upgrade as well. The AC not going to run near as much when these are closed because it's not going to let all that sunlight in.
Will this be standard on all floor
Absolutely.
plans?
Every Radiance that will come standard on in the common area. You won't get it in the bedroom, you won't get it in the bathrooms, but in your common area, the MCD roller shade is standard.
We can't overlook the changes that you guys have made to the entertainment center. What I think is most unique is you have pass-through HDMI and USB. If you have little campers, plug it in right there.
Plug and play. What's really nice about the Radiance too is that we've got the fireplace here as well to give you a really cozy type feel here. It is straight away from your TV.
So
I know a lot of campers like that, without a doubt.
We have this beautiful kitchen. What changes have been made in 2021?
We went to a more residential style 11 cube fridge. It's a 12-volt fridge. As we move around, solid surface countertops throughout, deep basin farm style sink, flush mounted stoves, residential style cabinetry throughout. So we brought in the textures and the feel of your house.
What was it that you guys did at the dinette to make sure it was a better value?
Sure. So this year we went to a complete one-piece press top.
Okay.
So what that means is there's no more T-mold around the outer edge. And what happens over time when humidity hits it, that trim starts to come out and it starts to bulge up a little bit, and it's hard for the end user to always keep that looking nice. So this year we went with the new press tops, so you don't have that issue moving forward.
And then this will fold out into another sleeping area.
Yep, this here drops down into a sleeping area. You use the cushions, you move them forward, they drop down. This year we've used waterproof fabrics. So what's nice is we've got them young campers, and every once in a while they like to spill some orange juice or they like to spill some Kool-Aid. You're not going to have any issues with that staining up. You just clean it up real nice and simple.
What is unique about the ductwork?
We're going to have multiple dumps throughout the interior of this. And the benefit of that dual dump is A, it's going to make the unit run much quieter. The same amount of air is coming out, it's just much quieter because it's got other vents to go through. You're not going to get pockets of your camper that are 10 degrees warmer over there than they are here, because this is going to distribute the air evenly through here just like central air does.
Todd, I'm really surprised on a travel trailer this size to have this much storage as soon as you walk in.
We give you this huge pantry. This pantry is designed obviously to hold all the food that you have, extra water. There's coat racks on the inside so you can put your jackets up. This helps with the value add that we're trying to create.
What else has been happening with Radiance over the last couple of months?
We were RV to see, must see RV, and RV of the year, the Radiance. So we're really excited about that.
Well, and after walking through this coach, it doesn't surprise me. So congratulations to you and the team.
We've got value added features backed up by value added services with our organization. So we look for this year to really, really be a strong year.